Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming your browser is up to date and that picture-in-picture, PyP, is supported. This ensures smooth playback. Open YouTube and load the video you want, then pause where you want PyP to start. Next, right-click twice on the video to access the browser's context menu, or click the three-dot menu and select picture-in-picture. This first action creates the floating window. Once done, position it roughly where you want before continuing to finer controls. Now fine-tune the floating window. Drag it to any screen corner or even a second monitor for multitasking, and resize if your browser supports it. Use the PyP playback controls for play, pause, and skipping, or switch back to the original tab to change resolution and captions. Changing quality there updates the PyP. Make sure you enable or learn keyboard shortcuts for faster control. Once adjusted, test audio sync and volume so the viewing experience is consistent while you work. To finish, close the floating window or click the PyP button again in the tab to return video to its page. If the floating window won't appear, first restart your browser and try again. Often extensions or a locked-up process blocks PyP. If that doesn't fix it, disable video-related extensions or check browser experimental flags and permissions. Make sure PyP isn't blocked by policy. One key troubleshooting tip: test PyP in an incognito window to quickly identify.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.